Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to do our first Q&A video.
Yes, I think already most of you know that our family is quite big now,
Yes.
and this is a big 30k family.
Yes, and so thanks a lot for
Thank you
that.
so much. Yes.
So, that's a great achievement for us.
Yes.
Starting from 0 to 30k,
Yeah,
that's a great
that is a
achievement.
great milestone, and
Yes.
we have reached to that milestone all because of you. Okay,
Yes,
so thank you.
because
I
of
think it's
your
not
love and
a
support,
sufficient word. Yes, we are very grateful. Okay,
Yes.
so
And with this, I think you all guys have a lot of questions for
us, yes.
So today here we are to answer your questions.
All of your questions. Okay, so you have shared your questions in Instagram, in YouTube. A lot of questions are there, so we'll be covering all of the questions. I think this is basically for making us like more understandable towards you.
Yes,
okay, just to know
Yes, the
us
reaction
better.
video you are watching of these two guys. Who
Yeah,
are
who
they?
are they?
Yes, what they do, why they are giving
Definitely.
such kind of reactions.
हाँ इसीलिए.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started. Today's video is going to be fun. Okay,
Yeah.
so let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yeah.
So the first questions, what is your job?
Okay.
Just tell you first, answer you and then I'll answer.
Actually, we are IT professional.
Yeah, that is our job.
Yes.
Actually,
Nothing. It's just IT professional.
just
you can
IT
say.
professional.
We both are a software engineer.
To be very precise, we are Java developer.
Yes.
So our life is very boring. You can understand
Full day coding.
by your job title. So we both are IT professional. Both are into Java. Both are developers. So our job role is quite similar.
Right.
Okay. So this is our job. Second question: how did you meet?
Okay, so it
Okay.
is pretty much a long story.
Long story, but just to
But
make
yes,
it
make
a
it
little small.
precise. We are into relationship since
2013.
Nine.
Sorry, 2000.
see, you forgot.
2011. 2011.
Okay.
2011 we are in relationship. We belong from a same college
Yes.
and same batch, so we were very good friends before
Initially, we
2000
were good
initially.
friends, yeah.
After that we thought, okay, why not to date each other and spend our entire life with each
Yes.
other. So
So,
yes,
yes,
we met in college. Why,
You're right.
where did
We
you
met
meet?
in the college,
In the college.
and after completing college, we were pretty much close to each other. And after in 2000.
Which marriage?
Yes.
2018
See?
we got married.
She forgot
No, you
everything.
2018 date you tell.
Yes, it's a third February.
See, now see.
Late a little bit. It
No,
happens.
not little bit. 3rd February, so our anniversary is just coming on the line. Okay,
Yes.
so yeah, 3rd February 2018 we got
Correct.
married. So we met in the college.
Yeah.
And yeah, that is it. So the third question is, who proposed first? So burning
That's,
questions.
Means, we
There
can't-
also there is a twist
There
in
is a
this
twist.
question. So I proposed. Okay. So
Actually, we
usually
had-
that doesn't happen.
We had feelings for each other.
For
but,
each other. Initially, I didn't have feeling for him. We were very good friends, but he had feelings ekdam pehle se.
Yes.
Okay, but we were friends that time. And when I got my feelings, I didn't spend much time. I just told him that, yeah, Abhay, I think I love you, so let's hang out together. It was that
that
simple.
was- and I
Okay.
accepted that proposal.
Yeah, he accepted, and because he loved, right? That is why.
I didn't give any time
Any
or
time.
that much that okay, I will think or do something.
No, just instantly.
Instantly.
Instantly he told I love you too. He didn't even think कि अरे क्या बोल रहे हो, nothing. I love you, I
What
love
I
you
have to
too.
do.
Yes, he told like that. Fourth question is very fun question actually. Okay. Then fourth question is, does Abhay have any love affair with any other girl other than me? Like
No,
before
I
my
didn't-
relationship.
I didn't had any affairs.
He didn't have. Yes, that's true. And this questions, like nobody have asked this question to me, but if they ask, yes, I had, but those are miserable. Okay, and I don't want to think about. Okay.
Yes.
Fifth question
So I
is
think it's a little bit coming to the YouTube side.
now it is coming to the YouTube side.
Yes.
Do you want to read out the
So
questions?
how much YouTube pay? So as you know that we are not such a big YouTuber that will earns million and million. So
Yeah.
we are just a small YouTuber and we have just reached the milestone of 30K. So just we are earning around if you can buy a Redmi phone.
Redmi phone.
A
Around
Redmi
that
8 phone,
only.
yeah, that.
Yes, around
That's
that
what,
only. So yes, that is the answer.
The next question is also related to our professional life. So how much salary you get? So with our job role, whatever we are into IT professional.
Yeah.
So I think he meant that only, right?
How much salary you get means from the job only.
Yes,
He is
so-
asking. Yeah.
So, you
So-
want summing up of
No, no.
both?
Summing up, we cannot tell on this channel, okay? So I can give you one, assumption. Like we both individually can take the burden of the family,
Yes.
do whatever is required, like the household activities, the cooking, groceries, every single thing made.
Individually.
We can bear individually, okay?
Yes.
So
And also living in Bangalore, it's
Yeah.
a bit costlier.
it
So
is
we can
bit
sustain
costly.
that also.
We can sustain that. So our rent is also pretty high
Yes.
here. This is not our original like own apartment. This is a rented apartment. So yeah, we can individually pay every bills and everything. That much eligible we are. Bhagwan ke daya se, touch wood. Okay, so this is actually the answer. I think you have some idea. The next
Pretty
question.
much the next question.
Next question,
So
Where are you from?
So I'm also born and brought up in West Bengal.
In West
And
Bengal.
she is also there.
I am totally from West Bengal. I'm Bengali and he is originally from Bihar.
Yes, my native in
So
Bihar. Chhapra.
we did intercaste marriage.
Yes.
That is also a very क्या बोलते हैं daring work
Yeah.
right away. But nowadays everybody I think is doing, so that is pretty good actually. How many people are there in your family?
It's a big list.
A big list. First you tell, then I'll tell.
I think I have
Your family.
I have 3 sisters and 1 brother.
Yeah, and
Yes,
parents.
and mother, father. Yeah.
And I have my one and only sister, which already you have seen, Ankita, and my parents,
Yeah.
and that is my our family. But I am actually I am belonging to a joint family. I have my uncle, auntie, and their daughter,
Yeah.
son, and they all live in a house only. So my family is quite big, you can tell. And I have my nana nani also, Mausaji, matlab a
That's
lot, big
lot.
family actually.
Actually,
big family.
Indian family. are
Indian
like
family,
that
you can
only.
understand.
If you have
Yeah.
parents, grandparents, and
Yeah.
again what do you call it? That sisters of mother, sisters
Nah,
of father, everybody.
everybody is there. Okay, so the next question is what your parents do? Okay, so my father is a retired bank officer,
Yes.
and my mother is a housewife.
Yes, same
And,
here. Like my mother is also housewife, and my father works in Coal India.
Yeah. So the next question is, do you have kids?
No,
No.
still we are happy. I think.
Oh, but what else? We are not blessed yet. Okay. The next question is now. This is coming some interesting question now.
Yeah.
What is your favorite Tamil movie? Tell.
Tamil, I think Tamil movie we have seen
There are
a
lot.
lot of the movies, a lot of good movies.
Good
If
movies.
you want to justify just only one movie, it will be pretty much very tough.
Very tough. Yeah.
Very tough.
Ha,
So
ha, ha.
just
But if you have to pick only one.
out of every movies, if I have to pick, I will pick Begil.
Begil.
Movie, yes, Begil movie,
Okay.
because love is there, action is there.
Feminism,
and feminism, those things
women
is also
empowerment.
there. Women empowerment and
Yeah.
football is also
Right.
there. So sports is also there, right?
Yes,
so
yes,
a lot of
true.
the things is there. So I think Begil is
Begil.
one of my favorite movie, you can say.
Yes.
And for you,
And for me, this is Sorarai Putre.
Okay.
Because recently I have seen this movie and
that was
matlab,
awesome movie.
that was
brilliant
awesome, brilliant, and I really enjoyed because I really like the fact that from zero, how a person can achieve anything like respect, money, and whatnot.
And also happiness
Everything,
for the lot of the
happiness
people.
for a lot of people. So that is why I think Sorarai Putre is my recent favorite.
Yes.
Okay, I cannot tell that this is my ultimate favorite. So yeah,
I
That's
think
it.
you can say one of the favorite.
yeah. Next question, Abhay, can you read out?
Favorite Tamil actor.
Favorite Tamil actor, yes.
So who is yours?
Mine is Talapati Vijay.
Yes, of course.
Yours?
Tamil actor is also,
Talapati Vijay sir.
but we
Ours.
love other
actors also.
Like,
Yes,
Surya
definitely.
is there, Kalajit is
Vikram
there,
sir
Vikram
is there, Rajnikant
those
sir. There are a lot of.
lot
The
of
list
actors
is long.
who are great and doing great for society
Yes.
as well as for film industry.
Yeah, but if you ask the most favorite, I think Talapati Vijay sir, because his looks, his style, his acting, his expression, everything, I think we really love.
And also he is doing great for
Also society.
So we love
That is
him.
why. Yes, yeah. Next question is favorite actor in South.
Yes.
Okay,
If
so
if you are
throughout the
considering
South,
throughout the South, so
Tamil,
I think
Telugu,
it
Malayalam.
is a big name you can say.
Yes, yeah.
So he is Rajnikant sir.
Rajnikant sir for you.
Yes.
And for me, I think Mohanlal sir.
Okay.
Because he has achieved a lot, okay,
Yes,
and
of
he is an inspiration for everybody.
Right.
So that is why I think I will pick Mohanlal sir's name, because he's senior also. And now, you know, Talapati Vijay sir, Tala Ajit sir, Vikram sir, everyone is learning from him.
I think
That is
it's
why.
very wrong to justify just
that is
only
what.
one name. But yes,
True.
you have asked those
You have
questions.
asked, that is why.
So it was very confusing for
Very
us
confusing also, yes.
to identify one out of millions.
Yes, and one more thing also, if you ask these questions, you know, after 1 year or 2 year or so, this answer will not be the same.
Yes.
Okay, then after 2 years, maybe our favorite list of the favorites can be changed. That happens, you know, based on the movies, based on the recent
Based on the
scenes
controversies, rest of the
which we are
thinking.
seeing. Yes, that is
Not
what.
the things it depends. So
Correct.
recent is this one only. Yes.
Okay, so the next question is top 5 Kollywood
Kollywood
actors. Okay,
So who is top 5 Kollywood actors?
Kollywood actors means Tamil actors, right?
Yes, right.
Talapati Vijay sir,
Yes.
Ajit sir, Thala Ajit sir,
Alaji sir,
then
Surya
Surya sir,
Vikram
Vikram
sir,
sir,
and Rajnikant
sir.
Yes.
5 ही हुआ ना,
Right.
बस इतना ही है.
Yes,
Okay.
they are great actors.
They are
right?
great,
and
yeah.
everybody is learning great things from these
True,
actors.
yes. Next question is heroines you thought in Tamil.
Okay.
What do you think about
what I
Tamil
am thinking
actresses?
about Tamil actors? Yeah, they are also pretty much talented. Talent wise, if you say they are good talented actors,
Kirti
look wise
Suresh
also
is
they are
outstanding.
beautiful.
Yeah, look wise they are beautiful. Their talent, they are extremely talented, and their way of acting, their way of you know conveying the dialogues, expression, everything is like marvelous. I think some of the Tamil actresses are far more better than actors.
Yes, of course.
Right?
Right.
So that is what
if you say
our think
out of
is,
that
thought is.
who I'm thinking better out of this thing, I like Kirti Suresh and Nantara.
Nayanthara.
Yes.
I like Samantha also as well in some of the movies. Nayanthara also, she's a powerful actress. And yes, there are a lot actually. So our thought is like they are extremely beautiful and they are extremely talented. Okay,
They can do
these are our thoughts.
a movie as a single
Lead role. Yes, they can do that. Yes, definitely. Okay, the next question is why you have 2 channels for reactions.
Okay.
I really like the question though.
Yeah, I think for this question I will answer it like when initially we started this channel, we thought it will grow up big, but in the middle we feel like that let's have a backup channel also. Sometime if we feel any problem with the main channel, then we
Any
can
issues
continue
will
with
come, we can continue with the other
secondary
channel.
Yes, so
Secondary channel. So
that's
that
why.
is why, because like always having one channel is not a, I think, great suggestion, because if you are asking, we are though very small YouTubers, but still if you are asking our perspective, our thought on it, I'll be saying that it is better to give reactions or anything, like any videos if you want, just make 2 channels. Okay, if one channel will be blocked or any uncertain things will happen, then second channel will save
we
you.
have heard
That is
that
why.
news also, some channels are getting hacked also.
Getting hacked,
And all videos are getting deleted.
That is that
those
is
were
why.
also we thought it can be happen to us also.
So this is the reason.
Yes, and also there should be a backup plan for
Backup
everything.
plan, yeah. So the next question is round to hell कैसा लगता है आपको?
Yeah,
बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मतलब मजा आ जाता है यार, हंस हंस के हालत खराब होता है.
Every characters in that
ये मेरा जॉज दर्द हो जाता है. राउंड टेल का वीडियो जब भी मैं देखने बैठती हूँ, मैं मतलब पानी लेके बैठती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पानी पीना होता है, मुझे काम डाउन होना पड़ता है. जॉज दर्द होता है, इतना ज़्यादा फनी कंटेंट वो लोग बनाते हैं, एंड वी आर प्राउड.
We are from the north side, so almost everything they wanted to tell us or convey
We
us, we
understand.
understand, and that
Clearly.
connects to us really very well. So
that
we
is-
laugh a lot.
we love Round to Hell.
Yes, we
Okay.
enjoy it.
Yes.
Enjoy their channels a lot.
True. Favorite YouTube channel.
Okay, so for me it is a mic set.
Okay, for you it is Mike Set.
Yeah.
Okay, for me it is Round to Hell.
Mic set
Why?
is a
Because
content-
Mike Set is my favorite too. You can
Yes.
tell that yeah, Mike Set also is my favorite. But Round to Hell का वीडियो इसलिए मुझे अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि वो मेरे अंडरस्टैंडिंग लैंग्वेज में आता है, इसीलिए मुझे सबटाइटल्स देखने की जरूरत नहीं
Exactly.
पड़ता,
I think-
जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट.
I think
Nothing else.
That is the problem with
Yeah.
YouTube channels also. We
YouTube
have
channels
we
also.
used to follow a lot of the YouTube channels, and
Yeah.
justifying that this channel is my best is very tough one.
Very tough word. The reason is like we don't understand Tamil, we don't understand Telugu, we don't understand Kannada, even Malayalam also we don't understand. Okay, but what happened is like we really enjoy their content because of the subtitles. Their dialogues and everything is like hell funny. Mic set का बोलो या फिर कोई भी नक्कल eyes and all.
Yes, mic set videos, though it is in Tamil language, I love it
love.
because the way every scene and everything execute, and the performance of Seram, I like
Yeah.
it. I think some portion also we don't need any dialogues and
Any
anything.
dialogues,
The
yeah.
way it expresses in the scenes.
True.
We really connect with the whatever it wanted to convey to us.
Yeah. So
that's why.
it is my favorite also as well because what Abhay told exactly my thought only.
Yes.
But Round to Hell के लिए क्या होता है, हिंदी में वो लोग बात करते हैं ना, तो मुझे आसानी होती है समझने में. This is the reason why Round to Hell is my favorite. Okay. So yeah, this is the answer.
Yeah.
So the next question is favorite YouTuber.
Yeah, right.
That is a very easy question actually.
It's not
for us.
easy question. That is also a tricky question because we
Tricky,
follow a lot of the
we follow a
YouTubers,
lot of YouTubers.
But for
But-
me, if you say a lot of the out of a lot of the YouTuber who gives you a lot of inspiration, who act well, who thinks you like he can be a role model for a lot of the people. So I will tell it's Sriram for me.
Sriram
From
for
my
me
side.
also.
Yes.
Sriram for
he's
me
a very
also.
much talented. At this age also, at this age only, he has achieved a lot.
A lot.
And he
He's a true
inspired a
inspiration
lot of the
for
people.
everyone. And why I love Sriram is like he's also my favorite YouTuber, to be very frank.
Yes.
But why? Because he is very down to earth. We talked with him also.
Right. Sometimes
and
we chat with him.
we chat with him, and
stuff,
the way he talks, we really love. Okay,
Yes.
he's very down to earth. He's having such a great number of
nature, yes.
subscribers, but still,
Still, yes.
never he shows attitude
Right.
to us.
Right. If
Right?
You, now, if
Even
you
he's
ping anybody,
Haan.
maybe he will not reply. But Seram is the guy who replies.
who always reply, always, and he always watch our reaction.
Yes.
Not only in his reactions, but also some other reaction also he sees, and he enjoys our performance, our reaction.
Yes. And
so that is
apart-
why he's very
if you keep
his
that
nature
also
is very
aside,
good.
if you
Haan.
keep that also aside, Seram is such a great talent. He write his script on only.
Haan.
He edits
Edit
himself,
and-
voiceover, everything he
true.
does. So
He is
that's why-
multi-talented actually.
That's why I'm also feeling that I have a
Yeah,
lot of
you
the
also
things
have to
are-
be like
Yes.
him. Yeah.
lot of the
So
things
that
are
is
there
what-
to learn from him.
Yes.
I've told Seram also that word only.
Actually, why we always like think whoever is doing great in their life, we always think that we have to become like him.
Yes.
So Sriram is kind of like, you can say, a role model for us because he is also a YouTuber. We are also in this platform, so we really want to learn a lot of things from Sriram.
And apart
That
from
is why.
him also, if you say there is a lot more YouTubers like
there
Ashish
is Ashish
Chanchlani, is there,
Chanchlani.
Harsh Beniwal is
Yeah.
there. They are also good YouTuber.
Round
And,
to Hell के
Round
जो
to
तीनों
Hell,
हैं,
all
वो
those
सबके साथ।
characters, they are very good YouTuber. They have started from 0 point. Where they have nothing.
Now
They just
they are
started
achieved a
with
lot.
some of the experiments, but gradually they succeeded in their life.
They
That's
succeeded,
was
yes.
too much inspirational. Yes.
Very true, very true. So yes, we don't think that we always watch in matlab Sriram is our favorite YouTuber, that means we always watch Sriram's video. Not like that. We watch everyone's video, whoever is doing great in their perspective.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next question is, what is your favorite Telugu movie?
Telugu movie.
एक साथ बोलेंगे इसका आंसर, एक साथ बोलेंगे. तेलुगु मूवी फेवरेट बाहुबली.
Bahubali. Yes, right. You got it.
Bahubali is
Bahubali,
our
yes.
ultimate favorite movie
If you
from
say about
Telugu
Telugu,
industry.
it's a Bahubali.
Bahubali.
And
Dono
from
part.
that, from
1 and
that
2.
movie only we love. Started loving Prabhas more.
Yeah.
Yes.
That
Earlier
is
I have seen lot
very
of the
true.
movies of him, but I think for you it was the first
It
movie.
was the first movie, and I started watching of Prabhas's movie.
Yes. And
All of the movies after
and,
Bahubali
for
only.
Bahubali we had one incident. If you want, we can share
Which one?
that first day show.
Our first day show.
So,
Yeah, tell them.
that,
This is a kind of
that happened
chit-chat
like
video.
I wanted to book its movie ticket on Saturday, and I was trying that thing on Friday. That
because
first
the
day.
movie got released on
On
Friday only.
That was the first day.
First day.
But by mistake, I bought that ticket on Friday itself.
Friday itself,
So suddenly, after booking, completion of the booking, got successful message that it got booked from Book My Show. I somehow I noticed that it got booked today only.
And I was in the office.
She was in her office and I was
You were
also
on
in my office. So
Then I got a call. Okay.
yes, then I told her,
I was walking and some issues were there. So I was walking and I suddenly got a call from Abhay, and he's telling, okay, we have to see the Bahubali movie. I have already booked the
yes,
ticket.
and
I told,
it
why?
it was around somewhere around 2:30 something.
And you have called me around 1:30.
Around that.
I just have done my lunch.
Yes, I told her you have to leave office.
Leave office. Now
was
only
leaving.
leave office because 2:30 is the timing,
yes.
show time. I'm like, what? How can I leave the office? Why you have booked on Friday?
Yes.
And he's telling, "Arey, by mistakenly I have booked the ticket on Friday, but matlab you were supposed to book it on Saturday, because
yes.
Saturday is the holiday, no, for us."
Right.
That
So
is the incident actually.
that was
And
happened and okay. Then also, but
and my manager was sitting just nearby to me. I told, yes, I have a doctor appointment. I just have to go. Please don't tell to anybody. Okay, I have done that. Okay, so yes, that is the thing.
That was the thing.
Very
happened,
very
yes.
funny incident, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So next question is, what made you to create this type of content? Why you started this channel? So you want
So
to
two
tell
questions, like what made you to create this type of content / why you started this channel. Okay,
yes.
I can tell my perspective. Okay, so the idea I only have given to you, Abhay.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, see, since like I think
From very beginning, whenever YouTube
1 year, last 1 year, I think she poked me a lot. Let's start a reaction channel. Let's start a reaction channel. But
he is very shy actually.
I was very shy.
He's now also very shy in front of the camera. He is camera phobic, you can say. I really love to see different types of contents, different types of web series, movies, and I really want to give a review on that, because I thought if I give our reaction or our review, that will be beneficial for other person also. Like we have seen some ghatiya movie. We really don't want people can come and see the movie, and in the different place also we have seen some bomb blasting movie, and we want that people will come and see that movie.
Exactly.
And that movie should be famous.
Yes, and a lot of the time it happens also, like we have seen a lot of the movie, and when we asked people or our friends also, they have seen this movie or not, how is this movie, but they never sometimes most of the time it happens that they tell, no, I haven't seen, how is that movie. They used to ask
Yes,
also. So
true,
we thought, okay, let's start it.
That is why.
Yes.
Not only in the movies but also some talent. I think you must know that we always like showcase the new talents on our platform, just to make them the achievement whatever is needed for them. So we that this reaction is just
also,
for that only.
And also we can do with our regular office work also. That is one challenging. If you want to give a full time to YouTube, it will be not possible right
it
now.
will be not possible for us, at least
Right.
now.
So what happens at night, sometimes we used to watch movies, and next day 1 hour we can sit in front of camera and we can share our thoughts.
Yes,
It will be that much easier. That's why we thought, let's start it.
Yeah. So I had one makeup channel also as well, because I love makeup, but somehow this is very difficult to put the makeup and then remove the makeup,
it's very
and
tough.
Regularly doing this, it is, I think non-Indians can do that, like the foreign YouTubers, because their lifestyle is like that only. Okay, makeup lagaya aur ghumne chale gaye, but we cannot do. Like the Indians are having a lot more work, a lot more, मतलब घर में बात करना होता है, फिर खाना बनाना होता है, फिर ऑफिस का काम है. So and my skin is very sensitive. That time was very sensitive. Now also is very sensitive. So I thought
Still
of,
she had
quitting
2K subscriber in that
in
makeup
that
channel,
makeup
but she
channel.
left that
I
channel
left
right
that
now.
channel. I
think
don't
it's
know whether
on
I will
hold.
again start or not. I don't know. But yes, I really enjoy this channel. That giving our reaction,
And if
talking
we,
with you guys.
yes, that is good. And also,
हाँ.
if we see comedies kind of movies and series or something, we can laugh a lot.
Laugh a
also.
lot, yes. So that is the main motto of opening this channel. So okay, the next question is, what is your first reaction when you receive your first payment from YouTube? Okay.
So I think after
I was very happy.
after starting around 4-5 months,
4-5 months
we got our
first payment from YouTube.
So yeah, it
And,
was good.
good
Thought,
only.
we thought okay, chalo.
We celebrated.
We celebrated, and we thought with our full-time job, it's a part-time something we are
Part
getting.
time, yes.
And whatever
And
we
always
get,
it is very happy thing that if you are focusing on something, if you are struggle,
Yes.
or if you are giving your 1% also in something,
And
if
that
that
is
is
giving
giving
you
you
return.
giving you the return, it is always happy.
Yeah.
Okay, happiness. So yes, we celebrated that day by ordering Domino's pizza, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, right.
And we told that news to our parents. They are also very happy. Okay, that happened, because at the time of monetization it was a little bit problematic for our channel.
During that time only
During
lockdown
that time
and
when
all
lockdown
started.
happened, no?
So we didn't receive our pin also.
Pin also.
I think after 3 months,
3 months,
we received our
continuously
pin.
we didn't we have not received the pin, and we are
Yes.
like, oh my god, what is happening, what is
We'll
happening.
Get or not get.
So yes, it was a special feeling, and
Yeah.
अभी भी मुझे याद है वो दिन के बारे में. The last question, Abhay, you can read out.
The most inspiring thing which is continuously driving you to do this kind of content.
Contents, okay.
It's a thought.
Inspiring thing, if you ask, can I answer this question?
Sure.
Jabi Kwe.
Okay, yeah.
This is my inspiring, you can say, YouTuber, because Jabi Kwe is our role model in this perspective, like giving reaction perspective, because I saw that he has also gotten a lot of strikes,
Yes.
lot of obstacles he has also faced, but still he is having, I think, 1 million plus 1 million subscriber, more
Yes.
than that.
I think
And
more
he is
than 1.5
continuously,
million, yes.
giving reactions, he is sharing his views and
thoughts,
thoughts, the way he speaks. I
think
really love.
before starting our reaction channel,
I used
she used
to.
to give show me, see this guy.
See this
giving
guy.
A reaction. How he is giving reaction. You have to be like that.
So
I can't reach that level, but still I tried a little bit.
we are me also, we are trying actually. Now also we are learner, but he is the most inspiring, like his channel is the most inspiring thing, which you can say that driving us crazily to give this kind of contents. What is yours?
Right, of course, that's what we started
Yeah.
initially with that only.
With that
And also
only.
one more thing is that we have seen that he is meeting with a lot of great big celebrities and all.
giving
So I
taking
think,
interviews of them.
yes, I think it's a great opportunity for us also.
if
we
that
reach
happens,
that
if we
level,
reach that level,
reach
then
that
only
level, so we will be also get a chance to meet a big person
bigger
also.
persons. I just want to meet Hrithik Roshan.
Okay.
Okay, first, if we reach to that level, like Jabi Kweji, okay, then.
I think
So yeah,
I think if we reach to the great level, we have to take interview of a lot of the people.
Lot
so
of the
like,
people.
lot
Talapati
of the
Vijay
Talapati
sir,
Vijay, Tala Ajit
Tala
sir,
Ajit sir.
Mohanlal sir.
yes.
Yes.
ऋतिक रोशन इसीलिए मैं बोली क्योंकि वो बहुत हॉट है और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है, तो यस, आई थिंक वी हैव फिनिश्ड राइट ऑल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. इट वाज अ वेरी फन वीडियो. आई थिंक यू नो about us more likely,
Like
that
what we think,
what we
why
think
we are
about
giving reaction,
yes,
what is
everything.
our thoughts,
What is our job, what our parents do, what money we are
all
earning,
our background and
everything.
everything you know
Okay, if
right
you
now.
have another like set of questions, you can definitely ask the questions. We'll be like doing a Q&A after reaching, I think, 100k.
100 or 50k.
हाँ,
Let's see.
because I know these questions are not the sufficient one. You must be having a lot of questions, and if our family will grow, people will come. Their questions also will be, different types of questions.
Exactly, and I think each and every day after listening to some of our answer also, people may have more questions. So
yes.
I think you can post us in our Instagram also, or in Facebook, or you can post us in comment section.
In anywhere, okay.
So we are ready to give you answer. Yes.
Very true. So this is the last day of 2020. I hope everybody is safe. Everybody is
God save us.
relieved. We are relieved. 2020.
This is the
Are you going to
memorable
miss?
year.
Are you going to miss 2020?
Yeah.
You are going to miss 2020. Why?
because work from home.
अरे बाप रे ये हमारे
That was the best
I'm
thing,
not
best
going
thing,
to-
that was the best,
best
thing
thing.
has happened in 2020.
2020, work from
That
home.
work from home. At least we didn't have that much trouble to go into Bangalore's
office
too
or
much
Bangalore's
traffic.
traffic.
My office is 20 kilometer away from here,
Oh, God.
so it's very very much far away from here. And driving through this big traffic, too
It's
much
very
traffic,
difficult,
it's
very difficult. Yes. So his office in Manyata Tech Park.
Yes.
We don't want to disclose the name, but his office in Manyata Tech Park. But my office is in Marathali only
Yes.
area. So yeah, for me it is easier.
Yeah,
Marathali,
for you it's
Marathali.
hardly 10 minutes.
10 minutes, kind of like that. So yeah, that is it for today's video. We really enjoyed, and it was a fun content. So yes, advance Happy New Year to all.
Yes.
Tomorrow
Happy New
we
Year
are
to all.
planning to come on live, right,
Yes.
Abhay? So we'll be like saying at what time we'll be coming live. Definitely,
By tonight
just
we will
let's
post
join. Tonight we'll be posting in the community section. Please make yourself available at that time, and I'm
Yes.
requesting
So that we can
because so
chit-chat
that we
a
can
lot.
chit chat a lot. It will be a great live.
Yes.
Is going to be. So yeah, if you liked today's content or if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe, please. It means a lot to us, and please click on the like button also if you like our content, if you like to know us more better. So yes, and please share this video with your friends and family also. See you next video. Till then, bye.